My name is Kevin Layne. I'm from Guyana. I play for Mount Pleasant FA in the Jamaica Premier League, and I'm a centre back.
So Kevin, your team lost the game 3-1. A lot of controversial, call. Even the last goal, it was like heartbreaking, but it's a part of the game. Tell us, how was the game for you? If it was hard or it was easy?
Well, the game, it was a pretty much balanced game. I know Dunbeholden is a pretty much good team because the position and the amount of points that they run speak for itself. But I think the game was a bit balanced until the referee made a blunder with the second goal for us. I feel if we had given that goal, it would have been a completely different game.
So what do you think about your performance in the game though?
Well, what I think about my performance, well, it wasn't my best performance, but it wasn't my worst either. But there's always room for improvements and things to work on.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kevin, and I hope you continue to do the best for Mount Pleasant FC, and I wish you good luck in the next match.
Alright, welcome.